So the caliber suppressor has technology. So this is revolutionary. We're the first ones to do it, and we've actually picked up the majority of the military law enforcement contracts because what a flow-through technology does is it redirects the gas out of these ports instead of allowing it to come back down the barrel out of the chamber into your face. So you can breathe in all that toxic gas, the lead, the carcinogens, all that stuff. So.
Well, it also reduces the kick.
It does. Yep. And the neat thing about our suppressors is they're self-tightening. So you'll notice these ports are angled to the left there. So that creates a reverse torque that self-tightens the suppressor back onto the gun. So a lot of guys that shoot suppress, you do it long enough, you'll notice your suppressor starts walking its way off. But ours actually self-tighten as you go. So a lot of other neat things. So it's welded. So you want to clean that thing. You can actually still use the solvent overnight, and then take it out of the solvent, shake the extra stuff out, screw it on, and pull the trigger, and it blows all the gunk that's inside there, blows it right out the front suppressor. Pretty good stuff. I'll let you jump on here if you want. Got that magazine loaded with 5 rounds for you. Okay.
I've been looking into some suppressors. I got a PSL. I also got my AK. This looks like a really great system to some of the others. And one thing you gotta watch with your AKs, PSLs, RPK is make sure you have a brass rod and check your head space, because some of the barrels coming out of Yugoslavia or Romania are off, not centered. So you can actually have a round hit your suppressor. So you gotta make sure about that when you get to buy your suppressor into that barrel. So let's see how this runs, and let's do it. That way,
wow, that's quiet. That's quiet.
Quiet. Like they were saying, with the technology, with the regular suppressor, especially with the AK, because they're so high over gas, you're actually going to have your bolt hit the back of the weapon, which can actually do damage to it. With this, it's minimalized, so you're not going to get a KNS adjustable piston. You can still get one, great items, but with this system, you're not going to really need that. Very quiet, easy to clean. Just put it in your solvent tank, let it sit overnight, shake it out. The next time you're in the engine, it'll blow all the way out front. So, great suppressor. So what's the retail on this?
So retail on the 862, $12.99. That's MSRP. You can find it at most shops for just over $1,000.
Okay, so you're looking at $1,000 to $1,200 for this suppressor. Said it's a 308.
308 caliber. It's rated up to 300 Win Mag. It's full auto rated as well. So very sturdy, durable suppressor. So with that flow-through technology, it's nice because it keeps the suppressor than your competitors. So you can shoot that longer without having to worry about it starting to glow orange. So.
And totally honest, it doesn't really add a lot of weight to the front end of the weapon, so it still feels very balanced. But other than that, guys, go ahead and check these guys out. This is with
so we're OSS suppressors. We're actually in the process of changing over to Huxwrx safety companies. We've been in the market for about 10 years now making only suppressors. We're going to branch out into other products. We're going to do eye protection, ear protection, body armor. We're going to diversify a little bit. So formerly OSS, now we are Huxwrx suppressors.
So, hey guys, we'll try to find Huxwrx on this. We'll try to get our videos up. I really like this suppressor. I'll probably get it to the market later on this year for both my AK, PSL, and my RPK. People look out for Huxwrx. Like I said, said, we'll check them out later on this week.
There you go. Yeah, booth number 10129.
So, all right, guys, we'll give you more from SHOT Show. This is Jeremy with Wheel Media. Talk to you guys later.